Hello, my name is Ashley and I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to make a very simple HMI using the Loupe WebHMI library. First, I have a very simple project, just a 1583, nothing connected. And I have a very simple program with a bool, a string, and an input. This string will look like an output on HMI. And I have added in the WebHMI library by doing an import here. You can just use the provided zip folder when purchasing the license, and all of these libraries as well as this WebHMI program will be included. When you initially get this program, these will be commented out. It will look like so. You do want to uncomment and specify where you want your IP address to be so you can connect efficiently. I'm going to use the local one just for this demo, but you'll want to use whatever your machine is running on. And then you will want to transfer. Also, when you do an import, it doesn't go straight into your software, so you will need to add that in. So this is all running as it should be. There's no other configuration you need other than adding in your IP address and port number. So the file structure is as so. You will need jQuery. WebHMI is dependent on that, as well as its own libraries that come in that zip folder. And then there is the typical index.html, and I usually like to include main.css, but we actually won't be using that in this demo. So here is the HTML. I will go ahead and show you how to create a very simple HMI and connect it to your PLC. So first, you need some sort of WebHMI machine, and you need to specify your IP address as well as your port and how many connections you want to have. This is all specified in our help in the core section. This is also included when you purchase the license. So first we will go in and just do a hello world to make sure that we have the correct page. And I'm just going to open this up in Chrome. And we see hello world. So now I am going to include a PLC variable. So first, my name is, and then I will add the name variable. WebHMI runs on classes and then looks for the attributes that are necessary after it sees the appropriate class. So for a string, you need a WebHMI text value, and then you need to specify what variable you are going to be looking at. And so since this is a local variable, I do need to add in the task name and then the name of the variable. And then I'm all finished. So make sure you go ahead and save that and then refresh. You'll see I didn't type Ashley in. That is actually coming straight from our PLC. So if I want to change this to Tom, you'll see it does change over on the HMI. So now I'll show you a button. If you are unfamiliar with the tags in HTML, there's a really nice resource for you. It's called W3 Schools. It goes into detail as well as having a ton of examples to show you exactly what you're searching for. It's HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything pretty much with web development. So going back, this one is going to be a WebHMI button set. And then we need variable name as well. And again, it's local, so we're going to say button. And then I'm going to type this is a button just to make sure that it's not small. And the last thing is you need to say what you want to set that variable's value to. So we're going to do that. All of these attributes are actually described as well in the help under data binding. So you'll be able to see any type. You can have momentary, you can toggle buttons, and then it'll explain which attributes need to be filled out. So I saved that, and now I'm going to go over here and refresh, because now we will see that there is a button. Here we see it's false. Now if I click the button, I should set it to true, which happened. Last but not least, we'll go ahead and look at an input. Inputs are slightly different. They don't have a closing tag, but again, the resource of W3 Schools will help you out with knowing which tags to use and when. So this one is a WebHMI num value. And again, we need to say what our variable is, so, and that's it. So it will default by showing you what value is currently in the watch window, so we should see 0, which we do. If I changed it from this side, it would reflect on the other side. As you can see now, it's 20. And if I change it from this side, it will reflect over in the watch window as well. So that is a very short, quick way to make an HMI. And there's tons of other things you can do, as well as styling and JavaScript and a bunch of other stuff. But this is the simple, easy way to connect to a PLC and start web development.